Tomato and potato.
Namaskar kids. Good morning everyone. How are you all? Okay Mahia. Good. So let us start everyone. Good morning. Namaskar. How are you all? Fine. Okay. So let us start today's class with prayer. Yes. Join your hands. Close your eyes. करचरण कृतं वा कायजं कर्मजं वा श्रवणनयनजं वा मानसं वा परादं विहितं विहितं वा सर्वमेतत्क्षमस्व जय 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 श्री महादेव शंभो करचरण कृतं वा कायजं कर्मजं वा श्रवणनयनजं वा मानसं वा परादं विहितं विहितं वा सर्वमेतत्क्षमस्व जय जय करुणाब्दे श्री महादेव शंभो जय जय करुणाब्दे श्री महादेव शंभो. Now rub your hands everyone and put in your eyes in face. Slowly open your eyes. Okay, so kids, now today we are going to take our two new spelling. But before it, I will ask yesterday what we done. Yesterday what we done, kids? The spelling. Yes, two spellings. That is vegetables name. That is which vegetables name? Tomato and potato. Very good. Okay, so now today we are going to take to another new spelling about vegetables. Okay, but before it I will share you I will show you some flashcards. So shall we see this? Okay, I will start my screen sharing. So kids, which vegetable is this? This is broccoli. B-R-O-C-C-O-L-I. Broccoli is a flower of the plant. ये flower एक part है, वो flower है, plant का जो part है वो flower part है, right? So we eat as a part of a plant, that is flower. And it is broccoli. It is green in color. Okay, it is healthy for eat. And this one is cabbage. C-A-B-B-A-G-E, cabbage. Cabbage is a leafy vegetable. Yes, this is we eat as a salad and we make cabbage एज अ करी. अपनी सब्जी भी बना सकते हैं हम उसको लेके, वो भी हम ईट कर सकते हैं. सो व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ कैबेज? दैट इज C-A-B-B-A-G-E, कैबेज. C-A-B-B-A-G-E. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज कैप्सिकम. C-A-P-S-I-C-U-M, capsicum. Capsicum is green in color. Here is green, and we found capsicum in three colors, that is green, yellow and red. This one is brinjal. B-R-I-N-J-A-L, brinjal. B-R-I-N-J-A-L, brinjal. So next is tomato. This is tomato. T-O-M-A T-O, tomato. Tomato is sour in taste, and we make salad and soup out of the tomato. Tomato ketchup भी हम इसका बना सकते हैं. Yes or no kids? It is very healthy food. Now next is radish. R-A-D-D-I-S-H. Radish. It is a root part of a plant. Root में होता है ये vegetable. जब हम pluck करते हैं excuse me, जब हम plant को pluck करते हैं तो radish ये नीचे से जो soil में से निकलते हैं ये और carrot both are root. C-A-R-R-O-T carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T carrot. It is the rhyming word of parrot. And it is orange in color. Yes, rabbit like to eat carrot. Now next is cauliflower. It is again a flower of the part of a plant that we eat as a vegetable. This is spinach. S-P-I-N-A-C-H. Spinach is a leafy vegetable. It is green in color. Now next is onion. O-N-I-O-N. Onion. Onion and garlic, chilies make vegetable spicy. क्या बनाता है वो? Spicy बनाता है. Yes. It is hot and spicy. Garlic, chili and onion mix करके जो vegetable बनता है वो spicy बनता है. So our flashcard is over. Now, so kids, now take out your notebook. First I will take your present, everyone. So kids, now I will take your present. Okay. જેટલો છે અંશ દયાની, અર્થ બંસલ, અરમાન ચેલાની, ભવ્યા ફાલદિયા, ધાર્મિક ફાલદિયા, દિયા એન પૂર્વ દેત્રોછા, ध्यान चकसनिया, ध्यान त्र्यंबडिया, दिव्यांशु, हर्षाली सेठी, हेती परसानिया, जेविस चाडेचा, चेरिश, मनका सुंदरा, ऋषिव, माहिया, Meat. Param. Simonchit. Sampurna. Ruhi Patel. Kirtiraj Singh. Shrutanvi Sethi. Vihan Dekavadia, Vihan Singh Dodia, Yaksh Pethani. Okay, so kids, let us start our today's class work, that is in your notebook. Please take out your notebook. So everyone, I will show you my blackboard. So first of all, Mahia, please off your camera. Hello everyone. Yes, now see the camera. See you on the board, everyone. I will show you. First of all, write down CW, and today's date is 4. Which date is today? 4 date. Kunti hai aaj 4th. And then which month? 9. 9 month is September. 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 September is the 9th month. That is, and which year? 2021. And which day is today? Saturday. Saturday. आपको मंथ एंड डेज नेम आज आएंगे तो अभी से ही आप स्टार्ट करो बोलना. ओके, SATURDAY Saturday. SATURDAY Saturday. Saturday is the 6th day of the week. Saturday is the 6th day of the week. Now write down your title. That is B is capital. VEGETABLES. Vegetables. यहाँ पर 2 क्लस्टर है, वेजिटेबल. अब टेबल का स्पेलिंग आ गया है तो सबको आ जाएगा वेजी. तो ये पूरा बड़ा स्पेलिंग भी आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. VEGE and then table, TABLE and then S is a plural. So ज्यादा vegetables हो तो vegetables and one हो तो vegetable. Okay, so vegetables name. Now हम आज टू स्पेलिंग लिखेंगे of the vegetable. Yes, everyone. आप सबने टाइटल डाला everyone? Okay, सबने लिख लिया Saturday, date and CW. writing in our notebook spelling of cabbage. Spelling of cabbage. Cabbage is a leafy vegetable. Yes, kids. Now start writing C-A-B-B-A-G-E, cabbage. C-A-B-B-A-G-E, cabbage. C-A-B-B-A-G-E, cabbage. हमें कैसे बोलना है? 2 के क्लस्टर में, यहाँ पर 3, यहाँ पर 2 के क्लस्टर में. ओके, C-A-B-B-A-G-E. कैसे हमें बोलना है? C-A-B-B-A-G-E, cabbage. 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 Okay. Write down full page. Half full page cabbage का and half full page. यहाँ पर full page cabbage spelling. यहाँ पर another spelling is आएगा, वो है brinjal. So C-A-B-B-A-G-E, cabbage. Now next is B-R-I-N-J-A-L. पहले ये लिख लो, बाद में हम लिखेंगे. ओके, हैंड राइटिंग अच्छे होने चाहिए एंड स्लोली अच्छे से लिखिए. C-A-B-B-A-G-E, cabbage. C-A-B-B-A-G-E, cabbage. C-A-B-B-A-G-E, cabbage. B-R-I-N-J-A-L, brinjal. हमें कैसे बोलना है? B-R-I-N-J-A-L, brinjal. B-R-I-N-J-A-L, brinjal. ब्र, यहाँ पर ब्र ब्लेंड. कौन सी ब्लेंड है? ब्र, ब्र, brinjal. ब्र, ब्र, brinjal. B-R-I-N-J-A-L, brinjal. B-R-I-N-J-A-L, brinjal. B-R-I-N-J-A-L, brinjal. B-R-I-N-J-A-L, brinjal. B-R-I-N-J-A-L, brinjal. Brinjal is a vegetable that is purple and green. We found purple and green. Okay. B-R-I-N-J-A-L, brinjal. B-R-I-N-J-A-L, brinjal. ब्र ब्लेंड है, कौन सी ब्लेंड होगी? ब्र. ओके किड्स, नाउ राइट डाउन फुल पेज. Cabbage is a leafy vegetable and brinjal is found in two colors, that is purple and green. कौन सी ब्लेंड आ रही है इसमें? ब्र ब्लेंड. विच ब्लेंड इज दिस? ब्र ब्रिंजल. ब्र brinjal. So, kids, let us start. Question. Everyone done your classwork? So kids, okay Mahia, good beta, welcome. Okay, so I will ask you some question about vegetables. Okay. Yes man, very good beta. Okay, Ansh Dayani, very good. Ruhi Patel, good beta. You have homework in your worksheet. That is page number 20. Okay, 20 page in your worksheet. That is homework. Both the spelling in your worksheet. And now next I will ask you some question about vegetables जो कल भी पूछे थे मैंने. ओके, तो हम स्टार्ट करेंगे फर्स्ट से, जो ए से स्टार्ट हो रहा है स्पेलिंग, तो वहां से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे. यस, Arna, I will unmute you. Arna, are you listen my voice beta? Arna, So, are you listen my voice, Arna? Say yes or no. Okay, now next is Ansh Dayani. Ansh Dayani. Ansh, are you listen my voice, beta? Ansh Dayani.
Yes.
Yes, okay. Which vegetable that is sour in taste? Which vegetable that is sour? खट्टा टेस्ट होता है, sour in taste.
Tomato.
Very good. टोमेटो खट्टा होता है ना, आपने टेस्ट किया है, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. अच्छा, ओके. और टोमेटो का क्या बनता है? क्या बनाते हैं मामा टमाटर का?
Salad.
सलाद. वेरी गुड. एंड देन सूप. सूप पीते हो ना? यस. वेरी गुड. नाउ व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ टोमेटो? आपको आता है टोमेटो का स्पेलिंग?
Yes. T-O-M-A-T-O.
Very good. Clapping for Ansh, everyone.
Thank
Very
you.
nice. Good. Welcome, bacha.
Thank you.
Okay. So now, Arth Bansal, I will ask you one question. Arth Bansal, are you hear my voice, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Arth. Which vegetable grows in a soil as a root? कौन सा वेजिटेबल ऐसा होता है जो एज अ रूट नीचे सोइल के अंदर होता है? यस, मुझे आपका वॉइस नहीं आ रहा है. आप सही बोल रहे हो बेटा, पर आपका वॉइस नहीं आ रहा है मुझे. पोटैटो. वेरी गुड. व्हाट इज द कलर ऑफ पोटैटो?
Yellow.
येलो. यस. एंड पोटैटो में से क्या बनता है?
क्या?
पोटैटो से क्या बनता है?
Yes.
और करी.
Yes, very good. So now give me the spelling of potato.
P-O-T-A-T-O.
Very good. Clapping for Arth, everyone. Very nice, Arth. Okay, now I will ask someone else. That is Bhavya and Dharmik Faladia. Yes. Bhavya and Dharmik. Bhavya and Dharmik. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now, how are you, beta?
I am fine.
Okay. Now I will ask one question. Which vegetable look like a flower? Which vegetable as a flower हम इसका यूज करते हैं खाने में? वो कौन सा वेजिटेबल है?
Cauliflower.
Very good. Yes. And one more is broccoli. फर्स्ट होता है जो फ्लैश कार्ड में मैं दिखाती हूँ. ओके. ब्रोकली इज ऑल्सो फ्लावर ऑफ अ प्लांट. ओके. एंड व्हाट इज द कलर ऑफ ब्रोकली एंड कॉलीफ्लावर?
कॉलीफ्लावर का ग्रीन होता है.
यस. कॉलीफ्लावर का ग्रीन नहीं होता है, ऑफ व्हाइट होता है. यस. बोलो.
ब्रोकली का पूरा ग्रीन होता है.
Yes, yes, good, very good. Clapping for Bhavya, everyone. Dharmik, right? Dharmik है ना आपका नेम? भव्या कहाँ पर है? Where is भव्या?
भव्या.
Yes. How are you, beta?
I am fine.
Give me the spelling of potato.
P
Potato.
O T A T O.
Very good. Clapping for Bhavya and Dharmik, everyone. Okay, so now our today's time is over. So everyone, namaskar. Thank you. बाद के जो kids थे, yes, bye bye. Bye bye. See you. Namaskar. Namaskar. Thank you, everyone.